Universal 58 traffic touching down to Falcon, pass behind them, cross runway approved.
Cross behind traffic on the runway, Universal 58.
Universal 58, thank you. Take departure.
Thank you, Universal 58.
Okay, so from 2348, say parking.
On the Ross, we got Alpha 5 here.
So from 2348 is passing straight into Ross at Alpha 5.
Straight into Ross, Alpha 5, that's clear.
So here's to my number 1, runway 21, clear to land.
121,
Aviator 77, left turn for left, close traffic, please.
Turn left, close traffic, Aviator 77.
Citation 7 Bravo clear to the Sierra Tango Sierra Airport via the Mesa 7 departure. Cross the transition as filed. Climb maintain 5,000. Select flight level 380, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 4120.
7 Sierra Bravo, runway 21, clear to takeoff. 0 Hotel Echo, runway 21, clear to land. Citation 6 Delta Sierra, begin slowing to final approach speed, square your base to about a 7-mile final.
Great, 7 miles.
Cirrus 1 Papa Sierra, follow the citation 2-mile final, report them in sight.
Insight, 1 Papa Sierra.
1 Papa Sierra, copy. 21 clear to land.
1 Papa Sierra.
Aviator 77, once you're on the downwind, make a right 360 at midfield.
Midfield right, 360, Aviator 77.
And Cirrus 1 Papa Sierra, you're inside a citation about 5, just south of Pinnacle Peak on the right base.
I'll keep it insight for you, 1 Papa Sierra.
7 Sierra Bravo, affirmative, contacting departure base.
District 275 clear to the Gateway Airport via radar vectors. After departure, turn right heading 335, climb maintain 5,000, expect 6,000, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 4264.
Logistics 275, on departure, turn right heading 285, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Cessna 1 Lima Alpha, and you said you're full stop? Cessna 1 Lima Alpha, runway 21, clear land, cross point to go. Aviator 77, maintain business separation from the departing citation, caution white turbulence, follow the Cessna off your left. Aviator 77, runway 21, clear touch and go left, right close traffic approved. Logistics 275, again turn right heading 285, contact team's departure.
Yep.
Jamjet 503 Scott sequence to the Uniform Victor Alpha Airport via the Scottsdale 7 departure, Olin transition, then direct. Upon departure, turn right heading 335. Climb maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 410, 3 minutes after. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 0726.
Cirrus 4 Charlie Kilo Tower, call your base. Traffic will be holding in position, or correction, I'll call your base. Traffic will be departing.
What's wrong here?
Gamma Jet 503, runway 21, cliff takeoff. Cirrus 4 Charlie Kilo, traffic departing is a citation. Caution white turbulence, base your discretion, runway 21, clear to land.
Land for base,
Aviator 77, follow Cirrus, turning right base. Advise when you have the departing citation in sight.
Citation in sight, Aviator 77.
Aviator 77, maintain visual separation from the departing citation. Caution white turbulence, just advise when you have the Cirrus in sight.
Looking for traffic, Aviator 77. Traffic in sight, Aviator 77.
Aviator 77, follow the Cirrus, runway 21, clear touch to go.
Runway 21, clear touch and go, Aviator 77.
Gamma Jet 503, and your right turn, contact team's departure.
Departure Gamma Jet 5.
City 77, call your base. Traffic to head and tray helicopter will be eastbound, southeastbound.
Okay, you have the base, Aviator 77.
Silver Cat 1 Scottsdale Tower, proceed inbound, landing Dillon Beach on risk. Falcon 8 Delta Victor, thanks again for your help. Where would you like to park?
Ross Aviation, 8 Delta Victor.
Falcon 8 Delta Victor, right turn whenever and taxi to parking. Be also monitor ground.
Via Alpha, and we'll monitor ground, 8 Delta Victor.